Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to finally show you how to create this murder search or murder word search puzzle book. So in previous videos I gave you guys a lot of secret niches or great niches to work with, but some of you of course don't have a lot of experience in creating these books, and some of them are hard to do. So many in the comments asked me to start creating the actual videos on how to design these books or create these books. So this is the first one and this is the most interesting one, and I will show you step by step how I do create this book. So to create this kind of book I use both things. I use AI for creating the content. Of course, you know it's hard to create the content if you're not a writer or have a lot of experience in writing or native. Also, you have to be good in English. Maybe a lot of you have noticed that English is not my first language. So to do that, we need an AI prompt, first of all, to know what this book is about and the instruction of the book. As you can see here in the description, it's not just a simple word search book. It's not only looking for the words and that's it. So we have a lot of steps. The step 1 is looking for the words. Step 2, the word that is missing from the grid is the killer. Second one, the word that is in the grid but is not in the words list would be maybe the method. And the third one is the leftovers letters, would be also the location. So that's a good fun game within the word search itself. So how to do that? I'm gonna make it easier for you guys without doing so much work. I will give you the prompt for this, all the instructions that will help you explain or describe this kind of book. So as you can see here, this is the full instruction of the word search. Once you've completed each word search, it's time to rely on your logic, observation, and deductive reasoning to uncover 3 essential pieces of the mystery: the killer, the method, and the location. As you can see here, the number of what we need, of course, the number of cases. Here the targeted audience, here the concept, the steps and the number of words, the solutions. This is important. I will tell you the next step of why we do have this and why this prompt is very important for you guys. The second step is creating the content. I'm a designer, I know how to design things, but I'm not a writer, I can't create content. So I'm gonna use the AI. And what is better than Claude for great results on these types of things? I used AI and I used Claude.ai, and I will show you the results. The results, I never expected the results to be like this. So I gave him the prompt, and look what he gave me, or what it gave me. Book overview, they gave me all the things, the stats. Those are all the few explanations, but you already know, you don't have to look at them carefully. This is the structure of the book: title page, copyright page, how to play. You may ask yourself, how can I create how to play a page or example page or the cases? Don't worry, it's all coming together. Puzzle mechanic. This will show you the instructions or how to solve the problem. The levels, if you mentioned some levels. Sample puzzle. This is a sample puzzle. Look, the puzzle I will create, the creation of the puzzles, I do not use AI. So this is not the end result. They will give you just sample puzzle. There is a way to create the puzzles by AI itself. As you can see here, I told him I want you to give me a Python code that will help me create those grids in bulk with a step-by-step method on how to create this generator. I'm newbie to Python, so I'm counting on you. Okay. So it did give me the Python code to create these puzzles, and I tried it and created 10 puzzles with 10 seconds, but I didn't like it. It was not all in one page. It was very messy, and so maybe if you guys know how to work with AI more, maybe you do everything with AI. It's very possible, but it's not for me. So Let's go to the next step. This is the most important one. This is what I need. All 100 cases. Case by case, as you can see here, you go, you have your words, you have the killer. As you can see here, the killer will be on the word search, butler here. But it won't be on the grid. This is very important detail. Those three, or those two, you don't have to be to add the motive, only the location, as you can see. These two will be in the grid, but they won't be on the list. So when creating the puzzle, the list that you will give to the generator it doesn't include the butler. It shouldn't include the butler because you don't want it on the grid. So you remove this and add these two. But then the list that you will put for the reader or the puzzle player or the customer, the list that we will put, it will be like this, exactly like this. It will have the butler and it won't have the poison or balcony. You understand what I mean? So to avoid all of this headache, I know you probably will doing all of this for 100 puzzles. It will be exhausting. So I also asked AI to give me the lists in Excel in the order that I want and organized as I want. So I will go below and see. I'm looking for the Excel file. This is the Excel file. I will come back and show you the Excel. So I downloaded the Excel file from Claude. This is what it gave me. It gave me a lot of pages. As you can see, very neat, very organized. It has everything I want. But this is the World Bank is the one that I would focus on because this is what will help me create my book. So remember what I was talking about the list that you want for the generator and the list that you will put for people to see. They are different. One that has the killer on it, but don't have the location and method, and the other would have the location and method, but don't have the killer on it. So to create the book, to create the puzzles, I would need the one that doesn't have the killer on it, because I don't want the killer on the grid, but I want the method and I want the location. So here in the grid, no, I don't want the killer, so I would remove the no. All the ones that have no, it will be removed. So butler will be removed. As you can see here, all the no removed, and this complete list for all for my generator. This is a complete ready list for my generator. You see, it's so much easier with AI. All the nonsense or the headache that I was talking about earlier about creating the right list, now it's done. I have all the list and all the puzzles. This is one puzzle. This is the words of one puzzle. This is the words of the second puzzle, words of the third puzzle, etc. So this is how you create the list, and the next step is creating the puzzle. So next step is creating the puzzle itself, and for that I use PowerPoint, and the generator I use is a PowerPoint add-on. What does that mean? It means an add-on, this one. I'm sure you don't have this puzzle generator in your PowerPoint because you don't have the add-on. And this one is created by Bowes Publishing. I'm not affiliated with any marketing for them. I just use them for 6 or 5 years now. And I'm not even putting a link in my description. So you can just go and look for it. If you like it, you use it. If you have another alternative, you can use your alternative. But this is the one that I'm comfortable with and I work with for a long time. So this is Bowes Publishing. This is their website. I don't think they even had this website before. I purchased my my add-on from this Gumroad shop. They have a Gumroad shop, and you can look for anything they have. Of course, you have to look for the word search add-on. It's not very expensive. I think mine is $20 for 3 months, so it's very good. They have a lot of things, so you just look for the word search add-on. Once you purchase that add-on, you have this one here. As you can see here, we have a lot of things, but here we have puzzles, a lot of puzzles here, and this is the one that we need, word search. Also, for the word search, we need the content. This one is for the creation, and for the content, you will get this file. For this file, you have this one, BP puzzle generator. You open it, and you have to put your content here. For me, I want the word search, so I go to word search here. We have the words here, we have the titles here. I wanna put the words here. I go to my words, I copy them, okay. So I go to my title as well, I copy my title. Then we have to go to main, and submit. So we can save our content and it will be applied by PowerPoint add-on here. So we go to puzzles now, word search, we continue here, one grid, we want it like this. Let's say, for example, here we want 13 by 13. We want the words count. Let's see the words count. How many? Is 14 words. So we go here and put 14. And what else? I think we're good. Now here the words, we have to put the size of the words will be like 16. The puzzle grid, they could be like 20 or 21, 20. Yeah, and that's it. This is it. We can just click OK here. Yep, and it should, as you can see, easy. It's generated. This is the puzzle. This is the solution. I don't need this one. That's the thing. I don't need this one. So I'm going to delete this. Now I have the words that I want on the grid. And I want the words list that I will put for people to see. So here I go here again. I remove no and I check no again, and I remove yes and leftovers. I don't need any of that. Oh no, sorry. It's not like that. We have to remove here in the words list, we have to remove the no. That's it. Yeah. So this is the list that we need. We take it, we go to another page, we paste it, we have to so you can here do this. This is just for formatting purposes, so you can do this. You can change the fonts of the titles. You can make this smaller so you can fit everything in. And then you can just add for example killer here. Killer. So I'm not gonna bother a lot with styling this page. You can add here killer, method, and location, and you add the lines where for people to write down their answers. So it's just formatting. I can do another video for formatting if you want, but this is the basis of creating this book. I showed you all the steps. Here the last step is just styling the book. I can create a very short video after this one for 3 or 4 minutes, because this one is gonna be very long and I don't wanna make it even longer. So this is how you create everything. And for your information, you don't have to only put one puzzle at a time. You can put all the puzzles at the same time. This generator you can copy all the puzzles here, all the words here, copy them all. Copy, and you can paste them here. And then you go to you have to, of course, submit and do the same steps, but for instead of one puzzle, it will create all the 100 puzzles. This is what I like and this is what I want. That's why I use this generator, because it helps me create with bulk and not just one by one. It will takes forever. So this is a good time saver. You can check it out. And also, as you can see, guys, if you like this video, if you want me to explain other books on how to create them, let me know in the comments. If you think there is some if you didn't understand something from this video, let me know in the comments as well. I will answer everything. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for commenting, and subscribe to the channel. I will keep posting on KDP, and thank you. See you in the next one.